Today we will discuss about what is switch and what is router. Here, switches will be used to connect our laptops, our desktops, and telephones, all these things. But router will be connected at the middle of the network layer. The router will be connected to switch. From switch, we are able to connect all the devices. When you go for network switch, it is located in data link layer. When you go for router, it will be the in network layer. Then once then in switch where it will be stored. In switch we are able to see the MAC address. It will be stored in TCAN table. In MAC address, it will be located all the source MAC and destination MAC from where to where it must be reachable. When we go for router, it will be storing IP address. So from IP address only, it will be routing the table from in which route it must be gone. Actually, router meaning means from which route it must be reachable. It may be the long route or short route. It will be having some protocols. Then once we go for switch, in that broadcast domains will be there. In that one broadcast domain, it will be implemented one VLANs. If you go for VLANs, it will be useful for isolation of device connectivity. And when you go for router, every port has its own broadcast domain and the data formats how it will be having data packets will be there and frames will be there. When you go for router and it will be having data packets only, it will be there. The network connection type, the mostly it will be in switch LAN, it will be because we are connecting all the endpoints to switches only. When you go for router, it will be having LAN routers, endpoints, or firewalls. All the things will be connected from router. So if in case ISP is connected, ISP will be connected to router. Router will be connected to switch. Switch will be connected to endpoint. Here you can see the data packets only, and you will be having LAN, WAN, MAN, all these things it will be working on it. And when you go for the speed 1 gig to 100 gigs will be there, and when you go for router it will be 10 MB to 10 gig. Okay, actually if you want to see how the network will be connected and how the switch and router will be looks, if you see here you will be having four ports here, four ports here, and it will be eight port switch. Or if you are having these type of ports, it will be router. In that here you can see, if you expand here, you need to insert SFPs. Through SFPs, you can connect 25 gig or 100 gig or whatever the things. These looks like router. And here if you see ports will be there, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. In one port it will be having 12 ports, 12 12 24 port switch, and it is the 48 port switch, and every having the fabric controllers. Here if you insert the SFPs, it will be the uplinks, it will be connected from one switch to another switch. This is the way of switch and routers will look, and generally how the network will be looks. If you go for simple plan, how it will looks. Yeah, the internet will be provided by the ISP. ISP will provide a modem to every organization. From there, it will be connected to router. Here, if you have different types of scenarios, here they will use WIPs and the HSRP protocols. And if you go for normal thing, and from here it will be connected to switch. Switch will be connecting all the endpoints, telephone, access points, laptops, and will be connected, and desktops. It will be connected. If you are having the Wi-Fi access point, so it will be connected from all the laptops and cell phones. This is the thing how the network will looks. And tomorrow we will discuss about OSI model. Thanks for the video.